Hello, my name is Peter. Welcome to this pre-learning. This tutorial is about understanding tables in Prevision. From the model view, tables are accessed via the New or Open with context menu options. They are an efficient means of getting a details overview and for mass data processing. Instead of opening the property view to examine or edit the details of individual artifacts, a well-configured table can make this task faster, easier, and less error-prone. Like in an Excel sheet, it is possible to resize columns, sort rows, hide and show columns, search for details, and use filters. To make the most of tables in Prevision, we need to get a basic understanding of what makes them special and how to use them in the right way. Launching a table from the Open With menu means that no instance is created and the table with any changes you may do only exists while opened. To save the table with any made customization, add it by clicking on the toolbar button. Or start your work by launching it from the New submenu to create the instance directly. A more convenient way is to open one of several table templates where customization already has been done to suit specific use cases or artifacts like requirement or hardware components. Below the New and Table Editor submenus we find more templates. These are of type table proxies and when used are added as part of the model. But for this table type, columns can be hidden and reordered, but not added or removed. Other configurational changes are lost once the table is closed. The table proxy can, however, be refactored into a table instance that then can be persistently configured. If needed, the table can be reset to its original template configuration from the context menu. The table's toolbar contains functions like expand and collapse, duplicate window, export to Excel, and even a function to change to a different template. Tables can, just like other Prevision windows, be lifted out of the editor area, put back again, placed side by side, moved wherever you find convenient, and closed in several ways.